Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're concluding the battle between the Raspberry Pi and the Echo Dot. This time I'm having them control a floor lamp. We're going to switch to my recording studio now. Alexa, turn floor lamp on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn floor lamp off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn floor lamp on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn floor lamp off.
Okay.
As you can see, there's a lot of similarities and differences between the Raspberry Pi and the Echo Dot. The Echo Dot is really quiet, you can hardly hear it. The Raspberry Pi's got a 1 to 2 second delay, but it's very loud. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and see you later.